What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. And in this video, as you can see here, I have a UAG Plasma series case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now this case does retail for $44.95. You can get this. Where you'll find the differences in the trim. Like I have, as you see here, I have the ice with the black trim. It comes with an ash in the black trim. It has the same ash with a gray trim and the ice in a gray trim. And as you can see, this case is drop tested 16 feet. It does have a feather-like composite construction, enhanced corner protection, impact-resistant core, tactile grip. It does protect your case, and probably one of their more economical style cases. Nice coloring, matches up with the phone nicely. Does like it had that nice black trim. I think I would prefer that over the ash, more like a gray, real light gray trim. This is real nice. It does have a little bumpy hard shell interior. The corners are reinforced, so there's no problems with that. Again, the raised camera protection is on point. And again, it does have raised corners though, as you can, so you can lay it and have even more clearance on the table. Looks real nice. UAG branding on the back. Nice frosted look. Again, does have the raised lip protection, so you shouldn't have any problems with that. And again, the buttons are on point. Volume rocker, easy to push, no problem. Power button also. Now this one doesn't have the MagSafe technology on it, so be aware of that. If you're thinking about picking up one of these cases, this is probably one of the few that does not have it. If you want to see it, as you can see. So keep that in mind if you decide to pick this case up. It does have the nice blunt edges on the corners for the on the corner protection. It does have the same cutouts on the volume for any type of lanyard, and the cutout openings are on point and ample. You shouldn't have any problems with that. Real nice case. I like it. Real clean, very minimal. Doesn't add that much bulk. Also, I like the way these corners, when you hold it, if you're holding the phone, it fits nicely in your palm, so it doesn't cause you any type of discomfort. So again, this case does retail for, I think it says $44.95. I will leave the links to those down below. If you're interested in this case, by all means, hit that link down below. It does help out the channel. And thanks for watching this video. And I catch everybody in the next one. I'm out.